Previously on Ghetto Love.
So soon to me in a beamer. What? Medasi. Yamisha. Maybe I could be a Kaise. Medo.
I just. Only Mamanda.
Yes, Mini Mamanda. I've seen her around. She used to be in a relationship with my brother.
Oh, Charlie, that's me call her no. Yeah, madam for no shame in la me and that's me feel say much go.
Love is a beautiful thing. It can never be seen, but you can feel it within. Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Oh Lord of mercy. Maybe I'm tired though.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. Family away.
Family. Hey. Ajua. No, Baunga. Are you okay?
Okay, I came to check up on you too. Because the conversation we had the last time, I thought there was something.
No, there was nothing.
Oh.
I told you there was nothing.
Are you sure?
There's
Hey guys, okay.
Oh. We're okay.
Yeah.
You good?
You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah.
Okay, so since I'm good, I'll leave tomorrow. I'll sleep here this evening.
Yeah, feel free.
Okay.
Feel free.
Nice.
So you were worried that there was a problem at home?
I was very worried. I thought there was something happening, so I came to check up on you.
Oh, that's nice. No, there is nothing. Yes, or dream in your house. Be a sabri. I can't say there.
Oh, bien. Why?
I can't say there. The two are the same.
Madam, look at it. I saw so basically push it. Me TV.
Yeah, that's so sleep.
I don't know cooking I love.
He is there.
Me put me name. I say me pocket. Na me call market.
Sorry.
Me pocket. Me bottom. Na me call market. Me hu dia ye na kinaila.
Ade show bottom we hu dia.
Me hu dia ye me bottom so na say.
And this is no bed nya baby ada.
O so de san comedy ni da.
Now what die?
Oh, metimi ada for me no dey say voice no dey.
Hey.
And when I was street no so sa.
But no more support per man.
Wo mo afro na obi oda fo no go fo. We ente no hye na kurim. O why pa na why is a bed day. Party. Or the so say be pre no ko sha kurim.
So, okay, Nadia, I don't mind sleeping in your room.
That's all bo.
Uguna kola hon. Bi o wona kire no. Bi o wona kire no. Ya bi wa cha na kire no.
Oni peja rough.
Sade ta ho no wona dun se onya yi. What e? Wo na ope. Umpe.
Ma dream fita.
Che. O de fita. O tare wa on.
Boss you know ya dream fita.
Wo jina ho wa dream fita.
Madam me fita.
Ya clear.
Me am clear.
Kiss no say your back pay.
And near bomb nina.
Why are you talking about?
Funny. Gyro.
I'm 100% sure.
No, why are you talking about?
I said the kilos.
Come down. What do you? Yati. Why?
Me can't be home. Maybe I'm right. No, what did you do?
I made it. Yes, I remember.
It's my favorite show.
Why? Jesus!
Sorry. Me who saw down. I'm sorry. Me sorry. Me are very sorry. Me are sorry. Me are sorry, Miss Ro. I'm so sorry. Honestly, at Tarifitana Washington, I said any Akunyano, I blended, so I didn't see. I honestly didn't see, to be very honest. And then you're also a little guy.
Who is little? So I'm come to punch. Who is little guy?
I'm sorry.
Better watch your mouth, who's little guy.
I am sorry. There's no need to be shouting. I'm sorry.
When you say Oblan watch them. What's the meaning of that? Look, I have a conversation. Say, why you may mess on the corner. Why you still here?
Me kwa no pawe, but then me come check say me bra sorry na kama crown say me ko.
Obe check is all bra so now one who's Kenya was all about this time. I just 3 hours time. I sound was all. Skinny be on all about this time.
Okay. I'll just go and freshen up. Me sound so about never check yourself.
Wait. Is he your real brother?
Yes.
There you don't resemble.
Oh, we do. Like, look at. It's just that he took our mother's color and I took our father's color. Do you get?
Your brother took your mother's color and you took your father's color.
Yes.
Who kakeku?
Mama say why?
You don't know kakeku.
See, I can't me waste one my program the crampo see. I'm going to freshen up. I'll come back and come and check whether they are here.
No problem.
I'm sorry, okay?
You say you don't know kakeku?
No.
Hey, Maria sepa. Say, Obana Bema na fane mami. No Obana fane papa. Yeni ya minyamu mami ni masha pao. Nti, ne mami so, si ya nene limutie. Ne se ne mami so pampe mapa. Hello. But the guys is too nice. Really, I don't think it's one mother, one father. Maybe different mother, different father. But for we just had them home. The man is too dangerous. Anymore, I don't know. Mommy comes and said, the baby can't could be my fault. I don't think fast. Hello.
Sweetheart.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Sit down.
Thank you. Auntie, I go school and I miss me back crowd, so I go school.
Oh.
If you could get my brother for me so that I'll tell him that I'm going to school.
Oh, brother, on Saturday, I feel no change the third girl. When I'm sorry you. Here. Oh, best sorry, I did 11, 12. Oh, best sorry, no breakfast I ready. Oh, that one, sorry, Tim. But I don't pay with the breakfast, are you okay?
I'm trying.
We're sure.
I'm trying.
I'm sending you money for the fees and also your upkeep. And I think so be here provisions, Kakra.
Yes, please.
Listen, I just met your brother and I liked him. Do you get it? Me share na keke and I'm a penance. Sana me huno me pewasem. I mean, don't stress yourself and stress him as well. What I say? So I wouldn't say financially, no, on Shedan stable. So if you need anything, I am here. I am your sister. What's it?
Thank you very much.
Right.
Medasi. I'm sure.
Right. And I'll tell him so. So I'm sending you the fees and also something to get your provisions and stuff.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Okay. See you.
Pachi Mate.
Okay.
Okay.
But would you text me? Let me know so we're due.
Yeah.
Why?
I'll do that.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Friend is saying, family no fun your man in Koja. Why? Okay.
Oh. Where were you sleeping? I've been here for the past 10 minutes. Yeah, I was a little busy. Oh. Is everything okay with you? You look so down.
Is it?
Yeah, is everything alright? Now, that stupid boy in our film. Abba.
Stupid boy.
I mean, Joseph, of course.
Oh.
Because somebody here, that's why he's stupid. Unfair of him. I'm so mad.
Already.
As I won't feel alright. As I mean, I didn't know what that now.
I told you I was busy. But I feel alright. I'm okay.
Oh, okay. That's fine. Anyway, why are you busy there, man? Marco, I just came here to say hi to you.
Amanda. Mene wonante ya me oboni bi.
What?
Me pese me hu se ebi a me nante a me no nante ebi a me tia wo na so obi bi so ebi a me ha wo kwan bi so ebi I offended you that I don't know. I want to know, so I apologize. Me fa wo se nua. Ni me perform me when I watched it for you. Me to de ma. Me kukruska e de ma so that you can be okay. I don't know, but I mean, for years. I was even asking, and I wouldn't be numb for years. You come to my house, you even sleep in my house sometimes, and I don't even know where you live. What means how I me found or no? How I me do to Museniano? I believe so one famisa.
Why are you talking like this? I don't understand. What do you mean?
Oh, you're still confused?
Of course I'm confused.
Oh, say be a me yo boni be me tia wona so be a me be cause and ya we share me na say maybe I did something that I need to apologize. Tell me.
No. You did nothing. In the same old issue that's all.
I'm still confused.
I don't have any issues.
You're still confused?
I don't think I have issues with you.
Right. Joseph. Babe.
Hey.
Babe, come. Come here, baby.
Yeah. Oh.
So your plans? I don't know why, and I don't know what I did. I would see many of the boy at planning to come rid me of what again? I think I'm lost. Rid me of what? Rid me off of what? But thank you so much. Because everything you planned, he told me. But let me baby, I won't keep such a good heart. Then you meant natural one, her seni pada seni. In fact, Bonnie and Frenchie Papa Yesuka, it would never happen. And to Joseph told me everything. But you know, thanks so much for giving me such a loving, sweet husband. For giving me such a man who will love me for me, a man who will take me as his, who will be truthful, transparent to me. And Nena me prepare this man is going to be for me. He's going to be for me. Because I'm pregnant for him. Oh yes. Okay. I don't know. What am I for my parents? Once I over there. What is that?
Open this one, pan. Who freezing and we race and we race was so near Massa. Is why I saw baby. On the one who is I'll live grounds here. Anybody won't see me here. We are ready to the question, maybe I'll find it. Then,
Kaukai, I want to meet you. I was saying, Kaudome. Now, wow, best friend. Name is a name call. I mean, going to Bonnie say. Alright, sorry. And did you two look when you say, sorry, Family! I'm going to phone uncle. And I'm going to be that.
I see you.
She mentioned that you would be quite well sorry.
What's your name?
You are June. Huh?
The John was young and seen Mama.
I guess any young command. Who you want to whatever you say.
Thank you, I love you. Thank you. To love you too. Hey, baby, no feel.
And I said, okay. No, what would you say?
Yeah,
I
didn't call it. Baby, I love you so much.
I love you too.
What's about the conversation?
Bring about man talks and we man come and I've exactly it.
Family, what's on here? Family, what's on here? What's on mental? Mental. Banato.
Lamento.
Quite.
Lamento.
Family, baby, we fight.
No, I tell you. Oh, I said to
Boswede, I'm say, Massimia Takanaka. The same to me. Madame Widia, he said, Bemadi Usiswa. The more now we look anymore. So now can you be a take up a 7
but when you be on
maybe,
oh,
or TikTok. But me now, any but the commodity of our lesson.
now you be now you are listening to training. Now, family,
me just a picture now, catching which are who picture.
Hey,
no
photo shoot towards it. With the sign,
which one I guess.
the passport or you.
Passport picture now. Listen. When they come on, you see the look on your first.
Yeah, no, I said,
now, we'll be down the show.
no one.
Local.
No cover.
Yeah, mammy.
Oh, yeah, Madame or anything.
Just saying, come here.
Now, more times I'm kissing.
More time, who per se.
Hey, Susie.
Many boys say why, but lie. You don't wanna see me fly, and then me looking fly. No, I don't know why you do me so. And then when you do, me let you be out for me. Oh, I got coke, I got whiskey, I got juice, I got vodka, they will carry.
Amanda, you say, Danny. I go for my wife, and I just what the idea the age of. This is saying you may be out there. What do you have to do? Get finishing now.
Baby, when you made it, because I actually see I need about you say. Better make about it. Do you mind don't give me? Yes, sit back to them. I will say make sure say time up them kakra. So they be suspicious behind them.
You said it was a upon what the hyping age, bro. Then you can't say you're seeing the hyping train, man. You really, in fact, Madam came, you go finish your money. I think some of the
need to not try anything like that.
Amanda. Sisi Eddie.
My friend, I remember film good bad. 2 years time.
Titan, stop the bomb clock and pull the gun. Throw the poverty like militant. Get the moolah like you eat the bank. Me never blow money in Decepticons. The money, 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 the money. Me testing the semi honey, a biani, uyanti, a kum will be babiani. Send the question back out.
Joseph. Yes, I'll tell you that. I see a baby father that goes at night. I see a do feel. I'm already now with you on your own.
Minimum lion of Judah.
You're going now.
Minimum founder. One with the G. Get the money, have the needed dumbbells, then your man. Can't down in the body.
We are going. You say that's what they are doing, Diabo. And they just saying 2 years later. 2 years later. 2 years now, 2 years now, my word. Actually, who are you taking it to see? I used to pass one island. Still now, misbehavior. That boy, you may see me want to paint one compass. I'm going to say no. This is only a man that can say. Banda na me adaro but me shibu wa me national son. We get to Cardi B. Adibu a Banda national son. O dey come ya John boy. Move, let's go.
The money, the money, the money, the money. The money, 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 the money.
You quit dumb baby, we've been in a race so many. Hustling for the money, so we can make for you.
I drugs one day. Tell me if knows that a fierce light in a Ghana. Me I link up with some girl them. She a change my life and spec it up for me. Me can't make the girl them move out from my life, you know. We are good here and well love. You see me? Almighty, I don't know inspiration.